Right, so I finally bought myself some acoustic panels. This is a 6-pack, cost around about £17 or just under £17 at the time of making this video. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check her out. Hopefully it will dampen some of the echo that you get in this room, because it does echo a bit. And I'm trying to improve the quality of sound. So I'm hoping this will help. It's not expensive, it's about £17 like I said. Comes with some double-sided and in 2 different colours, black and grey. That is it. So like I said, you get 6 panels. So there's 4 there. Move them out of the way. So I've got a nice little finish on the end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on my wall behind my monitor. Or monitors, I should say. I have 2 monitors. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully it will reduce some of the echo-ness you get in this room. Hopefully, anyway. So this is it. Just going to see how sticky they are. Yeah, it should work just fine. So that is it. Let's get them all out. Let's have a look. 6. Like I said, you get 6. So I will mix the colours up as well. I'm not going to have all the same colour. I'm going to have, you know, sort of like that sort of pattern. Well, not overlapping, of course, but you get the idea. So side by side, it'll either be grey, black, or black, grey, black, grey. That sounds better, doesn't it? Black, grey, you know. You know what I mean anyway. So with that, what we're going to do is I'm going to do an installation. Like I said, hopefully sound quality will improve slightly. I'm not sure how much it will improve because I've never used one of these before. This is the first for me using acoustic panels. And hopefully it will dampen some of the noise out. So with that, shut up and get on with it. Well, what do you think then? It's the first time I've used acoustic panels, and I thought what I'll do is just go straight down just to see if it's going to make any difference. It's going to take me a little while to decide whether it's worth doing, but hopefully I'm going to do a few more panels down here and some more down here in the future. But in the meantime, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it's a good idea, bad idea. And the reason I've gone for that space there, because obviously it looks better to have them in between that. I didn't go all the way up, but I thought it'd look better to go straight down there, and later on what I'm going to be doing, adding some more panels, probably another 2 that side and another 2 that side, running them down, or maybe even 2 down that side, 2 down that side, and running them that way, because I can quieten this down as well. This is quite a noisy computer because there's a lot of powerful fans in there, and if I put some acoustic panels behind it, it should help to quieten it down. So let me know in the comments whether you think I've done the right thing to start with, or whether I should just do the old wall or do some sort of flashy pattern. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, baby, it's a start.